Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is regarding your water and soil analysis kit. There is a two available at present. We are this kit with the 4 parameters, 5 parameters, 6 and 7. This particular model is with the 7 parameters. This one is with the 6 parameter. Only difference is it does not have a dissolved oxygen section. This section is closed, and this it is written pH, MV, conductivity, temperature, TDS, dissolved oxygen, DO, salinity of water. These are all 7 parameters you can check. This is a selection. F1 is a selection knob, salinity, dissolved oxygen, temperature. Now I am putting it on temperature. I can check 1, 2 and 3rd. Third one is temperature. This is a regarding the probes. This is a temperature probe, which is a metallic. It's a bimetallic temperature probe with the plug. It is to be put it here, and it tells you the temperature. Now it is showing 28.8. If it is there is a difference, minor difference, that will not make any difference. Whatever is the temperature, you can feed this temperature in this readings. See, this is 30 degree. I have put this and on 30 degree for internally, so that the changes of the parameters of the temperature will change and give you the reading accordingly. Now there are electrode. Another electrode is pH and MV. This one is giving you pH value and MV. This one is selection standby, pH and MV. Selection check. If you want to check pH, you can put, and this has a permeable membrane, semi-permeable. Electrons can cross through this. This is a glass with a electron crossing. So the KCl solution is filled up. Before using it, you have to wash it in the running water and then put it in the pH solution. Then it's to be kept outside. Whatever is the pH temperature, you put it here, and this selection I can put it on pH. The pH reading will come with this temperature range, and pH will come. I can adjust the slope by pH selection. I can adjust the pH and ORP selection by this. Now this will tell you the MV temperature, and this is standby. When you are not using it, keep it on standby. So this is for pH. Now another electrode is there for dissolved, this conductivity. It gives you TDS as well as conductivity. It has a 2 wires, no positive, no negative, only 2 wires. You can put it in this, and then the reading will show you conductivity and TDS. This is selected by conductivity 0.48, and TDS is this reading 0.33. TDS readings or salinity readings and more readings, it can come in PPT or in mode. This selection is selection range is there, temperature is taken care, and if you have to check what is the standard conductivity cell constant, it should be fed from here 0.95. This you have to adjust from 95. You have to adjust here. This is 0.95. So 0.95 I have already adjusted. You can adjust by this. Becomes a cell constant is your cell, whatever is the constant, you have to feed it so that the readings can come as per requirement. You see this. I am adjusting it to close to this 0.95. 0.95 is the reading written over here. Similarly, I can now remove this electrode and tell you another one is a dissolved oxygen electrode. This also has a semi-permeable membrane here. Then there are other membranes available. Some extra membranes we have provided, and then you have to put it in solution, and then it has a positive and negative electrodes. This is positive, it goes to dissolved oxygen, and then reading is checked by putting this knob on dissolved oxygen. You select it, and the dissolved oxygen readings will be, this is for salinity, second is for dissolved oxygen, 18. Now it is stabilizing. After some, it will tell you how much is the reading. You can adjust known value by calibration. These are calibration knobs, one for temperature, one for conductivity and pH and ORP slope, dissolved oxygen calibration. This one, 2 are for slope and adjustment of pH. This one is for adjustment of dissolved oxygen. So this is done. Now I can show you the pH This one is for pH. Let me give you another reading. BNC plug is there for pH. After washing and putting it, you have to take care this does not break. It can break easily, so keep it inside and the reading will be visible on this temperature. You have to select this pH and what is the temperature you can adjust by slope, known value. If it is not known to you, 7 pH buffer is provided tablet. One tablet is inside. For the 4 pH, make a 100 ml solution, distilled water, make it in this solution and freshly prepared. For once you have to calibrate it, then you have to test it and then so this is a very easy. There are 4 electrodes in this particular model, one temperature, one conductivity, one dissolved oxygen and one pH and MV. In this has only 3 electrodes. You can see temperature electrode is there and one is pH electrode and conductivity electrode. Dissolved oxygen electrode is not in this. So there are 2 other videos are also available online. And check the 4parameter kit or others. This is our Gmail, abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 94160-20018. You can send us your messages or buy from us. Visit website Abron Exports and subscribe to our channel. Share these videos to others. Thank you very much.